I'm about to show you what a 35 million rand penthouse style apartment looks like. Hey, what's up guys? Richard Halbrick here from Chasing Africa, coming to you live from Bantry Hills. We're on the 8th floor and I'm excited to take you on a tour. Starting with this dining room table for 10. Over here you have your entertainment area with a big TV and an amazing sound system, and you have a fireplace. It's 30 degrees today, so I'm definitely not going to turn that on. And once the sun sets, everyone can move over here. And you've got a beautiful view of the Atlantic Ocean. If you sit down, it kind of looks like you're in the ocean. I kind of feel that this is like a cruise liner. You're living in a cruise liner. You've got that single level living area, kind of penthouse style apartment, which I really love. For sunset, you need to prepare your drinks, and yeah, we just got water in here at the moment, but this is a wine cooler for your wine collection. And when you wake up in the morning, you've got a fully integrated schmeg kitchen utensils. I wish I could try out this coffee machine. You've got an oven, so if you have a private chef for those entertaining days, you can do that. And you've got a scullery over here. Let's move on. Oh wait, there's more. Look at the size of it. I can literally put myself in here. And it's a schmeck. This apartment's got 3 bedrooms, starting with this one. This is the laundry room actually, follow me. You've got smeg laundry. Let's just keep going to the bedrooms, come. This is the master bedroom, I'll save this one for last. Here's one of the bedrooms. You've got your ensuite bathroom with a shower and a toilet, of course. A double bed. And when you wake up in the morning, you push those curtains back, you have a view of Lion's Head. So every single room here has a view of either the mountain or the ocean, so no one kind of loses out here. Let's go to the next bedroom. You've got a closet over here, again a shower and a toilet, and Lion's Head view again. You even got your own balcony here. Now it's time for the master bedroom. Are you ready for it? As you come in, you've got a walk-in closet which has actually got an alarm system on it. I don't have the password, so I can't get in and I can't show you, but for those that need to hide their valuables, this is probably where you would do it, or your fancy suits or whatever. And then we've got a beautiful room with an insane view of the ocean. I mean, I don't know how it can get better than that. You got a bath, a shower, and a toilet, and a double sink. So if you're brushing your teeth at night, you and your partner can do it at the same time. I find that useful. I always love that. You got a mirror so that you can see my beautiful videographer, Melissa Brown, in the background. But I don't want you to look at it for too long. Let me show you the rest of it. You might be wondering where the TV is. Let me show you. Wingardium Leviosa. That is probably one of my favorite features in this entire house. Get into bed and start watching Netflix. Look at that. It's really cool. Stay with me here. Come. Let me show you this massive, what do you call this? A deck, walking deck. So as you come out, you can see your neighbors. Hey neighbors! I'm good, thanks, and you? All of this is your garden, and these are your neighbors. And right down there, which I'll show you in a bit, is a fully spec'd out gym, so you don't have to leave this apartment, especially during lockdown. It's perfect. You get a full lap pool over there, and I'll show you the gym later. I might even get a few reps in, you know. Just look at that. Open plan, like, oh. It's actually a perfect day to watch the sunset. Unfortunately, we can't stay for sunset, but you've got a really big entertaining area for when COVID passes. Don't invite anyone to this house. You own a private pool for a hot day like this. Hold on. Oh, it's so perfect right now. I really want to get in. Maybe after this video I'll jump in. But yeah, this is your private pool. Let's keep going. This is for maybe your staff or your working area. If you like to work from home, then you'll get the highest speed internet in the country if you want. This is your desk area. If you want to take a break outside, have some coffee, you can get your assistant to bring you a coffee. From here, you got a view of Lion's Head, Signal Hill, and the ocean. Oh. So look at your house, your future apartment. Look how cool that is. This is probably one of my favorite rooms. This is the meditation room. Come take a look. It even has a toilet. A couch in the toilet. I think that's pretty cool. And I'll see you soon. Oh wait, there's a little bit more. Because I still need to take you downstairs. There's also a really nice parking space for you to park all your luxury cars. Go take a look at the gym. Wait for it. Check this out. Check this transition out. Okay, we are downstairs in your beautiful garden. Let's go take a look at it. It's really actually pristine. And we've got some palm trees over there. I actually don't know what kind of trees they are, but it's pretty. Every morning you can take a stroll down here on your way to the gym. That's what I would do if I was living here. And here we are, your own personal gym. My friend is swimming, he's the model for today. Thanks Jeffrey. You should have remembered to sanitize. I've tried to been to the gym today, so I'm very, very excited to have a quick session here. Got some H2O, hot or cold, and you've pretty much got everything in this gym to turn you into an athlete like me. I haven't been to the gym for a very long time. Well, Melissa takes you around and shows you all the equipment. I'm just going to get a few minutes in on the elliptical bike. Enjoy. That was a great workout. Thank you, Jeffrey, for modeling for us. You're doing a great job. Can you pick up the pace a little bit, okay? A little bit faster. Okay. After you. This is the jungle gym for your kids. And that's your future apartment right there. That one. I'm excited for you to check it out. I really am. I'm really, really excited for you. And welcome to Bantry Hills. My name is Richard Halbrick from Chasing Africa. If you need to contact me, my details will be in the description below, or you can slide into my DMs if this is Instagram. We are booking appointments for viewings soon. We can do it via video call, but if you would like to come and see it personally, please wear a mask, sanitize, and I'll make sure that place is sanitized for you to come view it. My name is Richard Halbrick, don't forget that. And that's your future apartment. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention that the shops are literally down this walkway. You can walk to the shops. There's a spa right down there. There's a Tops there for when they're selling alcohol. Yeah, everything you need is just a walk away, but wear your mask.